Yes, I like this template a lot. That's why I used it to integrate with my dashboard. Guys, you will really love to see the user dashboard, guys. There is really nothing more interesting about the templates that you are seeing on your screen right now. But guys, just hold on until I log into the user dashboard. You are really going to like this. This is going to be the best banking script that you have ever seen so far, guys. Trust me with that. So I'm going to teach you all the features of the script, and I'm going to show you how to install the script starting from scratch. So I have this script on my domain name called iwebtech.com.ng, but on a subdomain called Vision. So guys, after showing you the features of this script, I'm going to delete the whole files that has to do with this script, and then I'll start the installation from scratch. So you learn everything you need to know, guys. This script is going to be the best script that you have ever seen on YouTube so far. So guys, you can see the front end pages. You might have seen it before, and if you have not seen it before, you can see how good it is looking. So I'm going to log into the admin dashboard right here. If I just go over to my web address or my website, /access/UI/admin. So I will leave a readme file in the zip file of this script. So if you get the script, and then you can open the readme file, and you will see the whole information about the script, guys. Both the admin part, the admin default email, and the admin default password, the files that you need to edit with database information, and every other thing about the script. So if you don't want to watch the video, you can actually open the readme file, and it will guide you through installing the script. Okay guys, before I continue logging into my admin and continue with the video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question in between this video, leave it for me in the comment section below. And finally, if you are new to my YouTube channel and you like my content, guys, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's go ahead and let me log into the admin of this website. So I'm gonna log in with my admin password, admin email here, admin@admin.com. This is just the default email, which you can change any of these, and then the password is password, just all password in lowercase. I'm gonna click on proceed now, and let's see. So this is the admin dashboard right here. There's really nothing more special about this, but the one I'm very excited to show you is the user dashboard. We're going to be testing every other option in this menu to show you how it works, and then how it syncs with that of the user dashboard. So you can see I have one user here. Yes, I created one user and tested out stuffs with it, and then you can see the information right here. And on my computer, I have two browsers open. I have this is Safari browser and this is Chrome browser. I'm logged into my Chrome browser with Gmail, you can see. So if I receive any email in the course of this video, I will go over to my Chrome browser and I show you the email. Okay, let's continue with the Safari browser, and I'll go ahead to open another tab, and then so we can log into a user dashboard. So I'll just copy the user account number right here, copy that, and then paste. Sorry about that. I'll open the actual website, and then I'm gonna go over to the login section right here, and then I'm gonna paste in the account number I just copied. Okay, so I'm going to copy the password as well, go over to the other section, paste it, and then click proceed. Then you can see here, welcome NS Chooks. I use my name for the account and all that. So welcome, this is my picture. This is not my live picture anyway, so this is the picture I used for the account. So I'll go back to get the pin, the login pin right here. You can see that I'll copy that, and then I'll put in the login pin here and click enter. So let's see. Okay guys, you can see how beautiful this is looking, guys. Very advanced and professional, guys. You can see how the user dashboard is, and this is the ATM. So if you hover on the ATM, you will see the back of the ATM. This is the CVV right here. So you can set all this up from the admin dashboard for every user. So this is the know your customer, the KYC right here. And you can see from the admin dashboard you have this add client KYC. So for this particular user, I added this card as client KYC right here, and it appeared on the user's dashboard. You can see that, and this is the user profile image right here. This is the current balance, and we have some account statement right here. So guys, this is very, very, very slick, guys. So I'm going to show you how to make a transfer, but before I do that, from the admin dashboard, you can see, let me just explain some of the stuffs for you from the admin dashboard before we move further to the user dashboard. So from the first option right here, you can see add new user. So if I click on add new user, you can see you can fill out the user information, and you can see these are presets. So this is automatically generated, the transfer pin, the login and ATM pin, sorry about that, the IMF code, the tax code, the COT code, then the account number is also automatically generated. So it imputes the rest of the details, and then the available balance, you can leave that empty for now. You can actually add something also, and that is that. You can click on register for the user account to be registered, and moving down from the menu right here, you can see all active accounts. You can see all the active accounts. You know what that means, right? So moving down also, you can see edit user account. So if you go to edit user account, then from the table right here, scroll to the right, and you can see edit user account. You can click there to edit user account, and then pending account. If you signed up, if you filled the registration form, maybe if a user filled the registration form from the front end, and then you go to pending account, and you're gonna see the account right here. So click on it and verify the account. So from here you will see suspend users. So let's say you want to lock an account or whatever, so you select the user right here, and then select status, the dormant, the inactive, disable, suspend, whatever. So just select whichever one you want, and you can see the dictionary right here. So active, dormant or inactive means what it means, what inactive means, what disable means, what suspend means. So choose anyone you want and then click on set. So moving down, we have the add client photo. So I will teach you how to do this when we install the script from scratch. I will teach you how to do this, how you will end up adding a client photo, this photo that you are seeing right here. Okay, now moving down, we have the add client KYC. Just like the previous one, add client photo, you will also see how to add this client KYC right here. This ID you are seeing right here. Meanwhile, this ID is just a dummy ID I picked up from Google. In your case, it won't be this one. You see that it has no face right there. So moving down also, you have these edit transactions. You can actually edit transactions, edit credits and debit transactions, billing code settings and all that. So these billing code settings, I will also teach you how to set this out when I'm installing a new installation of the script. So you can see, just select the user right here and then select which one you need. You understand? If you need only the COT page, if you need only the tax code. If you need only the IMF, or you need the 3 of them, you do this. If you don't need any code at all, you only need the OTP to be sent to the email, just select this one and save right here. So moving down, we have the support tickets. I will show you how the support tickets works right here. So the user can go over to the user dashboard and then go to contact support right here, send a message, and you, the admin, will go over to these view support ticket right here, and you see the tickets open, that you can then scroll to the right here and give a response. So that is that, guys. The remaining options is for you to credit a customer and then debit a customer. So I will just quickly do that in this video. Let's just select this user from, maybe, I don't know, from a friend. I don't know, I'm just making this up. Okay, just do maybe $1,000 right here, and then I don't know, salary. I'll just make up something. Okay, the dates, I'll just say 0404. I don't know, I'm just making these up anyway. 2022. Okay, so the time, I'll just use the time right here, 14:13 on whatever. Just click credit account, and the account, you can see this account successfully credited the sum of $1,000. And you can see right here from the user dashboard, you can see that he already has $14,000. So if I get to refresh this page right here, and you will now see that he has $15,000. So if I go back to my Chrome and go back to the email account, you can see we have a credit alert right here. So if I open the credit alert, you can see how it is, guys. Transaction notification, hello, your account has been credited with this, and you can see the analysis, and you can see the available balance. Okay, let's go back to the inbox, and then let's go back to Safari browser. Okay, guys, next thing, we are going to run a debit transaction from the admin. So if you go to the debit transaction right here, choose the account and then choose something else. I don't know, just type some rubbish there. I'll debit it with the sum of $1,000 as well. Just put in something, I don't know, just put in something 2023, just put in something 14. Okay, just click debit account, and then so you're going to see these successfully debited the sum of $1,000. So if I go over to the user dashboard and I reload this page, and you can see the available balance has been updated, and then $1,000 subtracted. Okay, if I should go back to my Chrome browser right here, and you can see I have a credit alert. Okay, this is the same trade, and you can see I have 2 emails right here. So if I open it, the first one is going to be the credit alert, and then the second one right here, you can see the first one here. You know how Gmail works, right? You can see the first one here, which is a credit, and if I close that, you can see the second one right here to be a debit, and you can see the balance is now $14,000. Okay, let's go back to the inbox as well, and then let me go back to Safari browser right here, and then let's go. That is all with the admin dashboard, although some features we have to come back to test it along with that of the user dashboard. But for now, let's go over to the user dashboard, and the very first thing we see here is the funds transfer. So I'm gonna click on the funds transfer. Let's try and run a fund transfer. Let's see. So kindly note that you are about to initiate a transaction for your account, from your account to a beneficiary in your country. Click below to proceed. So this automatically selected a local transfer right here. So peradventure I want to run an international transfer, I'll just click on international transfer, and then the page will quickly reload, and then you can see the notice has changed. Kindly note that you are about to initiate a transaction from your account to a beneficiary in another country. Click below to proceed. I'll just click below and I'll just go ahead with the international transfer. So I'll click here, select an account, click here to select the account. Right here you can see my account with the account number and with the balance of $14,000. I'll click the account and then I will enter the amount of maybe $2,000. I want to send $2,000. Then the beneficiary account name, and then I don't know, I'll just say Chase Bank. Oh, sorry, the account name, not the bank name. Sorry about that. I don't know, Susan Johnson. I'm just making up the name anyway. I'm just making up the name. There is no one with the name Susan Johnson. Even if there is anyone with the name Susan Johnson, I don't know you. Please, I'm sorry about that. Okay. The beneficiary account number. I'm just gonna put something, but obviously it should be the account number for the person's account. Now the bank name, I'll just go with the Chase Bank right here. Okay, Chase Bank. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm typing with just one hand. And select country. I'll just say United States of America. Swift code, I'll put in some things. Routing number, put in some things. Transaction type, yes, automatically selected. International. Narration or purpose, I don't know, I'll just say salary. And I'm making this up, guys. Now to the account, is it a current account or a savings or checking? I'll just say current account, I don't know. So I'll click on transfer funds right here. So let's see, you can see the notice. Just take your time to read it. I'll click on OK. Now you can see that it's requesting for a COT code, guys. Now if I go back to the admin and I will look for the COT code. Now every account has their own unique COT code. So you can see if I scroll to the Airstream, you can see the COT code, you can see the tax code, the IMF code. So I'm just gonna copy the COT code right here, go over here, and then I'll paste the COT code right here and click continue. You can see the progress bar is counting from 0, and let's see how it goes, guys. So just hang on, let's see. Okay, it's going. So as this is going, guys, I remembered I didn't give a disclaimer. Please, I would love to give a disclaimer before this video goes on. This video is only for educational purposes, and if anyone uses knowledge gotten from this video or resources gotten from this video for harmful or illegal purposes, you will be fully responsible for your actions. Now with that said, guys, I know you now know what you're doing, so let's continue with the video. So it's now requesting for the IMF code, and I'm going to go back to the admin and copy the IMF code right here. Copy that, and I'll paste the IMF code and click verify IMF code. Okay, the progress bar resumed from 31 and it's counting. So let's see how long it's gonna count for the IMF code. Okay, it's now at 62, 65, 66, 67. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Okay, it stopped at 70%, and you can see another code comes up, the tax code. So the first one stopped at 30%, and the second code stopped at 70%, and now it's requesting for another code, the tax code. So let's go over to the admin dashboard, and you can see the tax code for the account. So I'll copy the tax code right here, go back to the account, and I'll paste it and click on verify tax code. So let's see if it's gonna request for another code or not. And it's counting, so Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. This is very robust. Like this script, I've not seen anything like this script before. Like this took me a long time to couple everything up, guys. Please give this video a like, guys, please. Okay, you can see 100% tax verified. And okay, what's going on now? Let's see what's going on now. Okay, transaction code verified. Transaction code has been verified successfully. Kindly proceed to complete your transaction. So I'll just click on this complete transaction right here, and let's see what's gonna happen next. Oh, it's now requesting for an OTP, the one-time password. So hello Ernest, please enter the OTP sent to your email address or your registered phone number. It should arrive any moment from now. Okay, let's go ahead and check our email address and see if we have the OTP. And yes, we do. From Alista Bank right here, you can see the confirm transfer OTP. So I'm just going to open that, and you can see the OTP right here. I'll copy the OTP, close my minimize my Chrome, and then open up my Safari browser, paste the OTP right here, and then click validate. Now let's see what's gonna happen. Transfer successful, guys. This is very interesting, guys. This is you need to have this script, guys. If you're a web designer out there, you need to have this script, guys. I don't know how you want to do it. You need to learn with this script. So I'll click on print receipt, and let's see if we will have a receipt. But at the meantime, we received an email, so I'll just go to the the Chrome browser and check my email, and you can see I already have an email right here. So this is also the initial trade right here. So the first one is credit, the second one is debit, and then this last one is debit. Your account has been debited because we sent money to some other account out there. Now we sent $2,000, and we now have the available balance of $12,000. And you can see the analysis is actually correct. Now let's go back to the inbox, and let me go back to Safari, and then let's see if we have a receipt for this transaction, just like every other bank does. Now I'll click print receipt, and let's see. Oh, we actually have a receipt right here. Now I'll choose save as PDF right here, and then I'll click save. I'll click save right there. Okay, use.pdf, of course. So I'm gonna save these, and I'll go to my downloads, and I'll check to see. This is my downloads right here. I'll check to see that I have the receipt, and let me open it up. What's the name of the receipt? I didn't check, but I think it should start from vision. Okay, I think I have it here. Yeah, I think I have it here, vision.iwebtech.com. Yes, this is the receipt. So I'll just double click and open the receipt, and you can see that this is our receipt from Alista Bank, transaction receipt generated from Alista Bank on 4th of March, and then the transaction amount of $2,000, and this is our receipt, guys. You can see how awesome this script is. It also gives you a receipt after transactions, guys. So I'm just going to close these and minimize that, obviously, and then we have actually succeeded in running the transfer fund right here. So if you also want to test out for the local transfer, it also works the same way. So I'll move on to the user information. There is really not much to show you here. The user information, you can see all your information, your KYC document and everything. You will see that. Look, let me just click on it to open it up. You can just see your information right here. So there's really nothing much to do here. Okay, moving down to the e-statement, you will see the statement of your account. You can see all the transactions that you've been doing ever since you have your account. And then moving down to the loan and mortgages, you can see it also has a very good loan functionality. You can see that now you can actually calculate the loan terms and all that. You can actually calculate the interest on your loans and all that with the years. So this is $250,000. Let's say I want to do this for maybe a year, and the interest is this. Okay, and then starting from this date, I'll just click on calculate. Let's see how you can see how awesome this script is. It helps you to calculate your loan. You can see that, guys, very, very, very robust script. You have not seen something like this on YouTube before, guys. You can see this. So I'm just going to close this. You can also do that for the mortgages. You can see you can do the calculation for the mortgage, but for you to apply for the loan, you're just going to select the loan type right here and then write a description and include the amount you need. You can see state amount, duration in months for loan. Just state everything here and click on apply. If you do that, it will raise a contact support ticket so that the admin can see it. So you will receive an email stating that your loan application has been received and then it's been worked on. So if the admin wants to approve the loan, they will go ahead and credit your account with the specified amount right here. So I'll move further to apply for cards. This is application for cards. Just go ahead and apply for card here. You need a credit card and all that, or a debit card. Just go ahead, apply, and then the admin will also receive your card application ticket, and they'll go ahead to edit your profile and impute a card for you right there. These account doesn't come with an ATM. So once you apply for the card, do you understand? Once you apply for the card, the admin will go ahead and edit your profile and impute your card details right there. So moving down, you can see the make deposit. You can see by bank transfer. You can make a deposit by bank transfer. Let's check that out and let's see how it works. So you're definitely going to be contacting the admin that you want to deposit your account, and the admin will send an account to you, a counterpart account, and then they are going to credit that account, and the admin is going to credit your account right here. So if you fill out this form and then you open the deposit ticket, so the admin is going to receive your request. Another way to make deposit is by Bitcoin. So if I click on this Bitcoin, let's see how it works. Okay, you can see the current exchange rate for one Bitcoin is worth $22,000 and some bucks on the front. Okay, you can see the admin will have to set their Bitcoin address right here, and just click here to copy it and then go ahead to your Bitcoin wallet to send the amount. So for you to know the amount that you need to send, you're gonna do the calculations here. Maybe you want to send 0.5 Bitcoins, so you know that you have to send 11,000 and some bucks at the front of USD to the preferred admin wallet address right here. So after doing that, you write to the admin. The subject might be Bitcoin deposits or Bitcoin deposited or something else. Then add the message, the amount you deposited, and all that, and the transaction reference number and all that, and submit the ticket, and the admin is going to receive it and also credit your account with the said amount. Now the next one is the account security. Fine, if you want to change your password or maybe change your 2FA pin, you're free to do that. Then the contact support. Now we are going to try this out, guys. We are going to try to communicate from the user dashboard to the admin, and from the admin back to the user dashboard. So let's say I'm communicating with the customer care right here, and then this message is let's just say support me or help me, something, I don't know, help me out, whatever. And the message is going to be this. I'm using one hand to type, so I'll just do some of these and then click submit ticket. Okay, you can see the ticket has been submitted, And let's go back to this. I'm just going to close this. Okay, this is the transaction window. I'll close that and I'll go back to the admin dashboard and go to the, you can see the view support ticket right here. I'll go to the view support ticket and you will see the support right here from me. Yes, help me out. And you can see the message right here. So if I scroll to the right, you can see the reply icon. Click on the reply icon and then you can now choose the sender, you know, the department that is responding to the support email. Let's say account officer, maybe service department, I don't know, whichever one, to Ernest, or you select another user that you have there. So I'll just, you know, input another subject and then the message comes up. So if you click send, so let's see, message sent, let's see if the user is going to receive it on their end. So if I go back to the contact support right here, and you're gonna see, I'm sorry about that. Okay guys, where you're going to receive the support, I'm sorry about that, where you're going to receive the support is on your email. So let's go back to my email and let's see. Okay, you can see the first one, your ticket has been opened. I'm sorry about that guys. You can see if I open this ticket generation, you can see that, dear Ernest, your ticket was successfully opened. We will respond to your request within 24 hours. Below is the ticket summary. You can see my subject, my message. Fine. So let's go back and see the admin response. So if I click there, you can see support ticket and then you can see the admin response. This is a support ticket and this is the message I typed in from the admin. So you can see that the support ticket is working perfectly. Okay, let's go back to the Safari browser right here and then I'll move down and see if there is nothing. Okay, I've showed you guys everything that you need to know about this script, and then the next thing is for me to go ahead and install this script from scratch guys. Focus guys and watch me install this. I'll go